I've been doing this whole moving process, and when I tell you that I'm exhausted, so I was like, you know what, let me just put the camera down and kind of focus on what I do. But at the same time, I also want to show you guys, you know, the journey and everything. So I decided to take up the camera today. The other day I picked up the camera, but I literally wasn't saying anything because I was so tired. I just had the camera running while I was doing some packing. I'll try and insert those clips as well. Literally, you don't want to see the state of this. I haven't been sleeping well at night. One. Tired AF, both mentally and physically. I'm gonna collect my keys tomorrow, which I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Very excited about that. Like, literally, the lady just sent me a bunch of information of bills that I need to set up, company I need to call, and just me getting all those messages, I just feel so overwhelmed. And I'm like, oh shit. And that's one of the straight conversation now. That's one of the reasons why I hate like group chats, because I hate when people bombard me with like loads of information at once. It's just a bit too much for me. Like, I like to just one step at a time. All right, so she literally just sent me so much images, so much things. I was like, oh my gosh. But we will try and sort it out. I have my list, so that's what I'm going through with everything, like doing up electricity contacts, all the bills. Like, yeah, I have my list. And the good thing is I have a couple of days off next week, so I have the time to like really sit down and do things. But anyways, I am currently clearing out underneath my bed and just throwing stuff away. Like, the amount of stuff that I throw away, I'm like, you know what, you haven't worried for like ages, throw away. I'm literally not holding on to anything. I'm just throwing stuff away. After this, I'm definitely gonna need to do some shopping because I'm not gonna have anything left. Anyways, look at the state of this room. This is the reason why I'm not even sleeping at night, because I can't sleep in this. Look at the state of this place. Oh Jesus. But yeah, I've sold some of my furniture as well, because the place that I'm getting, that one is furnished, and they did want to remove much of the furniture. The only thing that they literally remove is the mattress. So I'm taking the mattress with me, and I'm just going to give away this bed. So yeah, but very, very excited about the place. I can't wait to show you guys as well. I'm probably going to do like a separate video of me of doing like a little tour, like an empty house tour thing. I wasn't going to do it, but I'm going to be vlogging. You guys are going to be seeing it anyway, so might as well just show you guys like a quick tour of the place. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just now clearing out some stuff to throw away downstairs. Put stuff aside that I need to donate to charity, like old sheets and stuff. I'm gonna donate that. And yeah, very exciting, very overwhelmed, very tired, very hungry right now. What time is it? I didn't even, after 8, I need to go shower and then find something to eat. I literally just buy like some meat and cheese and crackers because I was like, you know, I'm not even gonna cook. So I got that, and I made corned beef and rice yesterday. So I'm gonna have that for lunch tomorrow. That way I don't really have to spend too much money by lunch, because oh my goodness, I'm spending much money already in the past couple of days on waiting in there, deposit and rent. I have these bags for maybe like 2 years now, actually, from IKEA. So I have some coats in there, some coats that I don't really want, but I'm gonna keep them because I'm working with this charity at work to donate coats. I'm kind of keeping them until everything is confirmed with that charity, so I can just bring them to work and donate them. So I have like this bag from IKEA. Got it like 2 years ago, like I mentioned, and I'm just gonna close it and then kind of use the vacuum and vacuum out the air in it. And I have these things as well. I had like summer stuff in them. I'm just gonna throw them away because I just don't want to take them to the new place with me. I don't have anywhere to store them. I don't really have like a bed like this with the storage underneath, but I have like under drawer storage, which is like really good. Anyways, I'll show you guys all of that tomorrow. And yeah, majority of my furniture, by the way, I sold, which is really good. So I sold like that long shelf thing that I have. I sold like 2 plants, because maybe I sell my plants them as well. I'm just gonna buy new plants. Only thing, because my plant kind of grow outwards and that kind of take up space. I kind of want the plants that grow up. So I'm gonna get some fresh plants. I saw one in Sainsbury's that I really like, so I'm gonna get that one tomorrow, because it's the second time I saw it and I was like, I really like that plant, so I'm just gonna get it. And also the only thing left for me to sell, I was gonna sell my coffee table, but I said let me just bring the coffee table in a new place, see how I like it first. If I don't like it, then I'll just sell it. And then I'm just selling like that ottoman poof that I have because I have nowhere to put it. That one, selling that, and then the dining table as well. Hey guys, so it is the next day. It is the day that I'm collecting my keys. I'm so excited. Anyways, I just got out of a team meeting, got dressed, and I am leaving work right now. And I just want to catch up with you guys before I leave because I'm very excited, like so excited. So we're gonna go collect the keys. The journey is about 45 minutes from which I'm there right now, and it's going to take me a longer while to go back to the old place, but I'm so excited. I've got like loads of pictures last night. I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, loads of pictures last night and shit that I need to do and bills that I need to sort out. I sort out my countertops today, and I just start out the countertops. That's almost started today. So when I go to place, I have some other stuff I need to start out, which I'm going to just take it one spot at a time because my can't seems to get overwhelmed already. So I'm just gonna take it one spot at a time, write down my list, and just start them out one by one. So I'm in the new place. I don't know if you're gonna be seeing like the tour first before you see this vlog, or probably this vlog first. But I'm basically trying to just set up a few things. The electricity, because my electricity is pay as you go, so I'm gonna set that up, and then I'm gonna test it out for like a month, and if anything, if I can switch over to more like monthly one, then I will do that. So I just need to put it up because the property manager, told me that there's only £1 left on the thing, so I need to basically set it up as soon as possible and just thingy. But literally when you move into a place, there's so much to set up. I did mention to you guys I already set up like the countertops, so there's just a few more bits for me to set up, like gas, electricity, water, heating, like those type of stuff. But I'm gonna take it one step at a time because I have like more time. Like you guys can see, I'm tired now. Take it one step at a time and just do things based on like priority and stuff. So first on the list, since this is pay as you go, I don't want the list to cut off. I'm gonna try and read through this manual and try and get an understanding of what exactly I should do. They did give me 2 cards here, and I don't understand like what they do, type of thing. I kind of miss the tour with the lady because I had to go to work, so I didn't really get like the full tour of the complex. But the guy at the concierge, oh, I didn't tell you guys that I have a concierge. I do have a concierge downstairs, which is really good. So I didn't really lost that perk from the last place. The only thing is we don't have like a gym, but there is a David Lloyd's, which is the closest gym here. There's a David Lloyd's, which I'm gonna need to check out the price because David Lloyd's club is very expensive. So we're gonna see what that extra, what is that gonna cost me now. But there is loads of stuff in David's Lloyd. They have like a swimming pool, tennis court. I can kind of get into those stuff. Like if I'm gonna pay that much money, I can play tennis and then do some swimming and stuff. But that's like another conversation for another time. Anyways, let me try and set up this real quick, and then I'm going to head back to my old place and kind of finish packing because my dad is gonna come by tomorrow. But honestly guys, like I feel like so grateful to be in here. Like you don't understand, like like so grateful because I've never really had like my own place before. Like in London, everyone shares property, whether you share with like a friend or you live with like family or whatever. But I'm honestly so grateful to like live in my own place. Like it's just me. And I've always wanted this. Like if you don't know me, you know how much I'm such a loner. I love my own space. I'm Aquarius as well. If you're Aquarius, you can probably say, yeah, Aquarius people literally love their own space. I'm so independent, and it's important for me to like, you know, have my own space. But sometimes you're not able to do it because London is literally so expensive. So now I'm just so grateful that I'm able to like get this place, and you know, and I just can't wait to see like what's happening. Like so much good things has been happening to me lately, and I'm so excited. Like bring it on, like bring it on, like bring it on. And yeah, yeah. And I'm just gonna take in this place and just, you know, just express gratitude and stuff, because honestly I'm so grateful, like so grateful. I know at the moment I'm so overwhelmed with all the bills and stuff that I need to sort out, but what I'm gonna, with me is people ask if they can help me, and I tell them no, I'm okay. I was like, no girl, I'm fine, I have it sorted. Well, if I did say to my friend like, look, I need some help with bills, like calling these companies and setting up my bills, I know she would have helped me, but I did mention that I'm okay. So that's on me, that's my fault. So I'm gonna love you and leave you guys for now, because I need to like sort this out and, you know, just kind of enjoy the place a little bit more before it become chaotic tomorrow with like all this stuff in it. Stay tuned for the house tour, because I give you guys like an empty house tour. I literally only have like the bed and this thing in here and the sofa, which is so comfortable, by the way. I tried lining it and it can fit me perfectly. It is moving day, and literally I am so tired. I got up from like maybe 7 this morning and started like doing stuff. So I am pretty much done packing, I'll say. I even cleaned the kitchen, I cleaned the bathroom, because when I come like later down in the week, I only want to come to make sure that everything is in place and just hand in my keys. I don't want to be doing any cleaning, so I've kind of been cleaning and packing at the same time. I don't know where I get energy from, but let me just spin so you guys can see. I kind of still have this part out because I can't really find like the screw thing to open this one. So I'm waiting for my dad to come. It's a bit late in the evening now, but he kind of have a job to finish. So I said, just do your thing, and then whenever you finish, we can just start the moving process. That I'm gonna throw that away, but I figured I should hold on to it so I can put it in the van just to lay out, because my dad have like tools and stuff in his van, so just so everything is not like messy. Kind of leave the fitted sheet on here as well for the same like reason, just in case I don't want to get the mattress dirty. So pull down the bed, that's all here. The rug need cleaning. I think I'm just gonna give the rug away because I just can't be asked to clean it. I'm just gonna get a new rug. And yeah, once this come out, I just need to like basically hoover the floor. And I kind of I think I was showing some part in the vlog of me just filling these holes. So basically just sand them with this sand block just to get it flat enough. I'm not gonna be painting the walls, so hopefully they don't really, you know, take out money at our account for that, money out of the deposit for that. So I just file it down. This one could have probably take some more, to be fair, this one, so I can feel the hole. Okay, I'm gonna patch up the one here some more so we can feel the hole upon that. Just have like stuff here, stuff there. Some of these boxes are definitely overpacked, so I'm probably gonna need to take some stuff out, and then have like bags there, and then like a few of my bits here as well. As for the bathroom, I'm not too sure if I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna bring it with me, and then if it doesn't work, then I'll just get rid of it. Basically clean the space and everything. Cupboards are all cleaned as well. Looks like I've got a lot done today, you know, like so much done. Cupboard clean, sink clean, everything's nice. I did really like keep this bathroom really clean anyway, so it didn't take me much to clean, because I didn't need to do like any in-depth scrubbing or anything, because I really kept it clean. Let's go around here and show you guys what's happening. Coffee table, she's big as fuck, but I'm gonna take it with me, see if it works in the space. If it doesn't, oh, I need to dash them to somebody, these two things there. If it doesn't work in its space, then I'm just gonna get rid of it. And then I have this here on my TV to take. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take that in a bit. Again, you just have like loads more boxes around here. These two boxes are mine. It's just like kitchen stuff. This one is definitely overweight. I'm gonna need to empty it. Also got rid of my table, and I basically like cleaned the kitchen. I did so well. Oh, it's a bit noisy around here. I did so well with the oven as well. Cleaned the oven, and yeah, pretty much done. I didn't even touch the microwave because I'm gonna bring this with me, so I'll just clean it in a new place. I also cleaned the fridge. My roommate's stuff still in there, so I kind of just clean bits, and then when she take out her stuff, she can just clean the rest. Same for like the freezer as well, kind of clean some parts of it. Wipe down the fridge, wipe down the cupboards, and I have like these plants. I need to get rid of the aloe vera plant because she's too big. And yeah, that's basically what is happening here. Pretty much did all this by myself so far. Progress, you know. I think I've got a lot done. Like, to be doing it by myself, I got a lot done. Oh, today I went to do a bit of shopping as well. I got two really nice glasses, but when I get to the new place and start unpacking stuff, I'll show you guys. But I got this. I don't know how it smells. It's like a rediffuser. This one, when I read online, the reviews seemed really good, so I said let me just pick it up. I got this one from TK Maxx. So yesterday was meant to be moving day, but today ended up being moving day because my dad finished working late and I was so tired. So I was like, let's just do tomorrow, because to move at 9 p.m. in the night is gonna be a myth. It's gonna be too much. So I decided to do today. So it's moving my stuff. Majority of the stuff are out of here. It's literally like just random bits now, and I kind of get some help as well, which is really good. So yeah, just wanna hopefully can fit everything in the van today, because I don't want to make a second trip that I make, like I said to you guys, is just to come check if the place is like good. Currently in my new place, I'm all moved now. When I tell you, literally moving day was so long yesterday. I finished probably like after 9, and then after that I came back home and started packing out like a few bits as well, and that took me ages because I wanted to get as much packed out as I can. But now there's some things packed out, but I am yet to go downstairs and throw away garbage. Let me show you guys. Look at this. This is literally all garbage, except for those two boxes there. I have like just shoes in them I need to pack out. I thought like this would fit inside of the closet like it did at the old place, but it didn't, because it kind of have like a compartment in there. But I'm honestly doing so well, like so well. Majority of the stuff is like packed out, which I'm super happy about. So yeah, just to give you guys like a sneak peek, I pack out like this side of my closet. I put up that little key thing there as well, just to hold my key, because I'm always like digging for my keys. But yeah, I just want to come and check in, because I know I haven't really checked in that much, just to say I'm all like moving now and literally just trying to get the place cleaned and kind of settle in a little bit. I'm gonna probably end this vlog here, probably start another one soon. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.